Now let's do Namaskar Mudra. For that, bring both hands near your heart in Namaskar position. So, Namaskar Mudra increases the blood circulation and with that mind also becomes calm. Now let's do Gyan Mudra. For this, touch both hands first finger with the thumb lightly and put it on the knee. This mudra helps to increase memory of the children and our mind becomes stable. Now let's do Vitrag Mudra. In this, place the palm of the right hand next to the left and place the left hand on the top of it. Touch both hands' thumb. With this mudra, meditation power increases. Also, fire energy is generated and our mind becomes concentrated.